we're at today, live at the shop. We got the 2017 Toyota TRD Sport, and we are just throwing a leveling kit on it. We got the back done already. So the customer brought his leveling kit. We got that. Comes with the springs and the blocks. We already did that. It's a little easier on the lift. You undo the shocks there. Undo the bolts on the U-bolts there. And change out the U-bolt to come with longer U-bolts and longer blocks. So we're going to raise it up about 3 inches. There's just a leveling kit, the 3-inch leveling kit. These are the spacer / bushings. They will bolt onto the top of the strut tower. So on the top of the strut, you undo that and put this on top of the strut. Put the bolts through and bolt that to the old thing. Let me come around and show you. And so we're moving on to the front. So on the front, you can see there's 3 bolts here. So take those 3 bolts off, and that's where that cup will bolt on there. But underneath this side to raise the, so you can get your lift. Pretty simple process. Not too extreme, so we won't have to do anything with extending steering arms or anything, stuff like that. So it's just a simple leveling kit. And we'll be putting some fender trim on there today, and let you know how everything goes when it's done. As you can see here, we got upper ball joint popped out. Got the hanger. We undid the brake lines, and well, didn't undo the brake line, but the hangers and the holders for the brake lines and the wires. That way you're not ripping any brake lines or ripping any wires out of place. We end up dropping the front sway bar down all the way to, we unbolted on both sides so it dropped down. That gave us enough clearance, and the sway bar connector, undid that. That gave us enough clearance to actually drop the shock down and slip our spacer in there without having to, actually pull the whole shock out. And that's pretty much how you do it. I'll do some final touches.